Open with a caring, attention-grabbing line. Struggling to chew or swallow food after 60, these soft, healthy foods can improve energy, digestion, and overall senior health. Why soft foods matter for seniors. Briefly explain how aging affects teeth, gums, digestion, and swallowing. Emphasize that soft foods can still be nutrient-dense, delicious, and healing for older adults. 1. Soft protein foods for muscle strength. Explain why protein is essential for preventing muscle loss in seniors. Talk about easy-to-chew options like eggs, soft fish, yogurt, cottage cheese, and well-cooked lentils. 2. Soft fruits that support digestion. Discuss fruits that are gentle on the stomach and easy to chew. Examples include bananas, applesauce, mashed avocado, and stewed pears. Soft vegetables for vitamins and fiber. Explain how cooking vegetables makes them easier to digest. Mention mashed sweet potatoes, steamed carrots, squash, and pumpkin. 4. Healthy soft grains for energy. Talk about how seniors still need carbs for energy. Cover foods like oatmeal, soft rice, quinoa, and cream. 5. Dairy and calcium-rich soft foods. Explain bone health and osteoporosis prevention. Include yogurt, pudding, soft cheese, and fortified plant-based milk. 6. Soups and stews. The best all-in-one meal. Explain how soups provide hydration, nutrients, and easy digestion. Recommend vegetable soups, chicken broth, and blended soups. 7. Foods seniors should avoid. Briefly warn about hard, dry, or sticky foods that increase choking risk, such as nuts, hard bread, and tough meats. 8. Tips for making foods softer at home. Share practical tips like slow cooking, blending, mashing, and adding healthy sauces or gravies. Conclusion: encouraging and reassuring. End with reassurance that eating soft foods doesn't mean giving up taste or nutrition. Encourage caregivers and seniors to choose foods that are safe, nourishing, and enjoyable. Call to action: like this video, share it with someone caring for an elderly loved one, and subscribe for more senior health tips.